Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Leah. If you are new here, I love doing everything beauty, fragrance, and fashion, so definitely subscribe if you want to see more content like this. But today we are doing a triple Ipsy unboxing, unbagging. I have the Glam Bag Plus, and the big Glam Bag X. It is Glam Bag X month and I am super excited about it. But first, I wanted to talk about my scent of the day. Today's scent, we are wearing the DOUCCE Floriental coconut scent, and this video is actually sponsored by them today. If you guys are new here, I'm a huge fan of DOUCCE, and they make designer dupe fragrances at amazing quality and a low price. I am a full-on convert. I have quite a few scents from them, and they really are spot-on dupes for the designer scents. I even have some that I bought just because I already own the designer perfume, and I've compared, and literally so spot-on and great fragrance quality. They use really clean ingredients in their scents as well, which I love to see. But seriously, the staying power on their stuff is amazing. I've had scents that have stayed on like overnight. I could still smell on my clothes all day. So you guys really have to try them out. This is what their bottles look like. Some of their fragrances range from $29 and up, sometimes $39 for some of the more expensive ones, or $49. And today's scent is the Floriental Coconut, which is actually a dupe for Tom Ford's Soleil Blanc, one of their top sellers, especially for summer. So I wanted to wear this one today to kind of get in my last summer scent, since we're kind of transitioning into fall. But this is like the perfect beachy coconut fragrance from them. Absolutely love. Highly recommend too their cherry scent. That's a dupe for Tom Ford Lost Cherry. That one's great as well if you want something more gourmand. I featured that in my last DOUCCE sponsorship, but this one is just all the beach vibes. It's not super sweet. It's not too coconutty. It's the perfect grown up kind of light fruity coconut beach scent. I absolutely love it. The top notes are cardamom, pistachio, bergamot, middle notes of ylang ylang, tuberose, and jasmine, and base notes of cedarwood, amber, and benzoin, and the last note of coconut. I really like their plain bottles as well. I feel like they look nice on my desk here. They're not super tacky or anything like that, so I'm a huge fan. If you guys want to check out DOUCCE, I do have a discount code with them, which I will have here and linked down below. But without further ado, let's get into my Ipsy unboxing. We're going to start small to large, so we're going to start with the regular Glam Bag. Now, Ipsy does send me the Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus, and the Big X I actually purchased myself. So this is the bag this month. It's this cream, like almost snakeskin print with green in the inside. This color I've noticed is so on trend right now. It's super fun. I really enjoy this bag actually. Like, this would look nice in my purse to just carry around my makeup essentials for the day. So the first thing I'm pulling out, I am seeing some Glow Recipe. Love this brand, and I have tried so many of their products. They work so well for me. This is a K-beauty brand, and a lot of their items are centered around different fruits. So this is the Avocado Melt Eye Sleeping Mask, and the perfect little mini size because I really don't use a lot of eye cream, so this is great. I actually don't have this in my collection right now, so this will be awesome to try. We also have a little cleanser from the brand VERSO. I'm totally new to this brand. It's a facial cleanser. It says #1 on it. So this is supposed to be just very gentle. I'll probably put that in my travel makeup bag. We also have a product from 111 Skin. This brand is super expensive. Some people really like their stuff. I just think it's a bit overpriced, but we did get their Nocturnal Eclipse Recovery Cream, which looks like this. Just a little mini size. So lots of skincare so far. We do have a makeup item. This is actually from THEBALM. I always love getting their stuff in different subscription boxes because it's usually not something I usually purchase on my own just because they are discounted a lot. But this is the sparkling LID-QUID eyeshadow fard. What kind of a name is that? I don't know. I feel like this is a newer product though. The shade is Bellini. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love the color of this. It's like a very smoky peach with some almost glitters in there. Is it gold glitter? I think so. I really like that color, so I will definitely be trying that out on the eyes. Hopefully it has some good staying power. And then the last thing in here, this is so cute. We got a little Milk Makeup blush stick in the shade Work. They do have a pretty good cream formula. I have a couple of their full sizes, but I love the minis because they truly do last a long time. Like, I feel like you don't even need a full size because this will last you. So I'm actually pretty excited about that, to get the little Milk Mini. I'll go ahead and swatch this one for you guys. It's a pretty neutral rosy pink, and that is what it looks like. So perfect that they included this because cream blush has just been all the rage lately. So that is what I got in my little Ipsy. It's a decent bag. I'm really happy with the makeup products I got, but the skincare is okay. I'm not super excited about, but I will say we got 3 hits in that bag, so I feel like that makes it a pretty good bag. Let's see what we got in our Plus. This is the $25 a month subscription. If you guys do sign up for the X, you don't get the Plus for that month. So this bag, though, I'm not a huge fan of this bag. I don't usually like the Plus bags that they do. They're just kind of to me. I wish they would just do a box because I just get so many bags. But this theme, I forgot to mention, is Wanderlust for August. It has like a fun tropical vibe to it. So inside the Plus, we have a full-size product from MURAD. This is the Sensitive Skin Soothing Serum. I noticed we get a lot of MURAD in Ipsy, which I'm totally okay with because I really like this brand. I feel like they make really great skincare. So I am curious about this serum. I do have kind of, my skin's just weird. It's like combo oily and sensitive at the same time. I do get some redness, so this could be like a really good product. It says it's good for dry, sensitive skin. It has hyaluronic acid to retain moisture and chamomile extract to help soothe. And this is what it looks like. So I definitely want to try that serum out from MURAD. We also got a full-size Tarte mascara. This is like their OG top fave mascara that they do. I feel like they make great mascaras, but I'm really happy to have this one again. It's been a while since I've tried it. It's just their original Lights Camera Lashes mascara. They're probably their like first one, or at least it's like the most iconic one. This one actually has really pretty sparkly packaging. I don't remember it looking this glittery, so love the packaging on that. That is definitely a win for me. Excited to have that in my life again. And then we have a product from the brand, I never know how to say this one, DOUCCE. It's a Posh powder palette. I remember getting like an eyeshadow palette from them in the past, and the quality actually seemed pretty good. I just know this brand isn't super popular. It does have kind of plain, boring packaging, but their stuff always swatched really nice. So this is what the powder palette looks like. It looks like a mixture of highlight and blush in here. I'll swatch a couple shades for you. Like, you can see how beautiful that is. Like, the quality is great with these. Here is one of the blushes. Super soft blendable formula. So this is definitely staying with me in my collection. I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. I like that it's a highlight and blush palette in one. So pretty cute. I'm excited for that. And then we also received, oh, Lauren Conrad. We got another product from her line. This is the eyeliner from her. So this is like her iconic liquid liner. She used to always wear liquid liner on the hills, I feel like, and she was like really known for her liquid liner. Like, she always did a wing. So I'm excited to kind of try out the formula and see how it is, even though I don't really wear liquid liner that much, but the formula does seem nice. It's a nice thin-tipped wand. And lastly, another glow recipe. This is their Watermelon Glow Lip Pop. I have not tried this either from the line, so I'm very excited. This says it's a scrub to balm, which will be nice to kind of exfoliate the lips a bit. It has watermelon, coconut sugar, and flour to hydrate, smooth, and tint lips with a pop of pink. This sounds right up my alley. I love lip balms that also have a little bit of color to them so that I can wear them like day to day, not just for like nighttime, because I always want a little bit of color. It smells amazing. Let's see if the color will show up. Sometimes it takes a little bit, but you can see a little bit of a tint. We'll see how it has to look. Hopefully not too pink on the lips, but I think I'm really gonna like this. So the Glam Bag Plus is definitely a hit for me. I think we got some great stuff in there. But you guys, I already know what's in my X because I had to choose the products, and this is a straight up hit as well. Like, I am so excited about this month's X box, so let's get into it. So I don't know the exact pricing of the X. I think it comes out to around $50. If you guys are familiar with how BoxyCharm does their BoxyLuxe, this is essentially the same thing. You can upgrade, and they do it like, I think it's every few months, so not very often, and they usually collaborate with a celebrity. So the last one was Khloe Kardashian, and I didn't really care for that bag because I feel like I didn't get really good stuff. But this one is with Halsey, and if you guys are not familiar with Halsey, she is a singer. She also has a brand new makeup line that we've gotten a lot in BoxyCharm, but I'm so excited about this box. So let me show you guys what is all in here. This is what it looks like. We get a little newspaper in here, which is super fun, and it tells you all about the products, which I wish they would do this with all their stuff, but there was so many good choices for this month, and they actually include like popular high-end stuff, not just random stuff thrown in. So I think the X is way better than BoxyLuxe in my opinion. But let me show you guys the thing I'm most excited about. Glow Recipe. Again, I almost bought this full price. I'm so glad I didn't, but this is brand new, like just launched. It's the Watermelon Glow Hyaluronic Clay Pore Tight Facial. I cannot wait to try this because this just sounds like it's going to work wonders for my acne-prone skin. It says it shrinks the look of pores, it dual exfoliates and surges skin with moisture for all skin types. I am beyond excited and shocked that I got this as one of my items in Glam Bag X. This is what it looks like. So excited. All right, next we got something from, what brand is this? About Face. I think this is Halsey's brand. It's called the Light Look Highlight Fluid. It says molten crystal highlighting fluid, light reflective pearl suspended in weightless liquid, creates beaming shine and a locked-in glow. So I usually do like liquid highlighters, so let me go ahead and pull this out so we can swatch it. This packaging though, not sure I care for the packaging. A little tacky in my opinion, but it's very shiny, disco-y, and this is the serum. Okay, so let's see. Oh, the color is gorgeous. Ooh, I think I'm really gonna like this. Liquid highlights look so natural on the skin. They don't like emphasize pores and texture, so that's why I'm a huge fan. And this one seems to dry down pretty quickly. It's this gorgeous pearlescent pinky tone. Perfect for me. This looks like it's gonna be really nice. It's not too greasy. Looks like all around a beautiful highlight. So I think this is gonna be a win. Pretty excited I got that in my bag as well, although I don't love the packaging. Now I'm also really pumped about this. I've heard of this brand. I think their stuff is on Sephora. Don't quote me on that, but I've been wanting to try their hair oil, and this is by the brand Bread. Another weird name for a beauty brand, but this is their macadamia oil, 100% concentrate for hair and body. It says Hotel Pillow Softness. It's supposed to be fragrance free. The only fragrance is just the macadamia oil that it uses, but I love the packaging of this. Like, I think this is really fun and super sleek, very modern. So yeah, it does have a scent, but it's pretty much just that oil. But I cannot wait. I'm always trying different hair oils, and I've heard really good things about this brand. So another win in my Glam Bag X. Also, another Tarte product. I think this is the one that I picked out. This is one of their Amazonian clay products. I didn't realize this was a liner. I thought it was just one of their shimmers, but this is the clay pot. Yeah, I was thinking I was getting one of their glitters, but I feel like you could definitely use this all over the lid. Like, you don't have to use it as eyeliner because look at it. It basically just looks like a cream shadow. This is the rose gold one. And if you swatch it, it's super, super emollient, very creamy. And it would just give like a really pretty topper on the eyes. I don't know how well it would work as eyeliner though, because it is pretty sheer. But I will definitely be using this as just an all over lid color. So really another great product for me. And then we also have the brand Herbivore, which is another popular brand on Sephora. So really this box is just like high-end brand after high-end brand. I'm so excited about it. This is the LAPIS Blue Tansy Facial Oil. I feel like I heard that this was really good for oily or acne-prone skin. I'll have to check. It says this helps replenish and protects the skin's natural moisture barrier while conditioning, and Blue Tansy helps to repair dry, flaky skin and visible signs of redness. It says it's good for combo and oily skin. So that's definitely me. I guess not for dry skin, even though it does have the hyaluronic acid, but it sounds great. And I love that it has like the redness soothing properties as well, because I do have pretty pinky red skin. So this honestly looks like it's gonna be really good. I think their stuff is very scented though. Yeah, it's like, oh my gosh, it reminds me of Sunday Riley, like how strong their stuff is. A little much, but I will probably still try it out and see. And then I actually got an eyeshadow palette. This looks really pretty. I think it kind of reminded me for some reason of like something Fenty would do, or Rare Beauty, but this is the AETHER Beauty Moonlight Crystal Palette. And this actually looks just really unique and beautiful. This is what the packaging looks like, and then this is the inside. I don't think I've heard of this brand, but look how fun this is. It's like a purple blue toned eyeshadow palette, so very colorful, not just your basic neutrals. This is more sustainable, that's why they don't have a mirror on it, so it is more that recycled packaging, so it might feel a little cheap, but good for the environment, I guess. Let me just swatch a couple of the shades. This blue shimmer, it feels a little dry. It doesn't have a lot of sparkle to it. It just has a light sheen to it. Here's this like lilac color. More it looks like, kind of looks more like a topper. I would have liked to see these be a little bit more metallic. They just don't seem to have a lot of shine. This blue might be pretty shiny though. That one did not swatch well, but it's a very unique color. I'd have to try it on the eyes. So I'm not sure how I'm feeling about the quality of this palette yet. Of course, I can't totally judge just by swatches. I'll have to definitely try it out on the eyes. Maybe I'll do it on Instagram. All right, we still have another amazing high-end brand. This is Fenty. I received their full frontal mascara, and I'm so excited. I have never tried this from them. So this is what it looks like. I am beyond happy with this box. Just like amazing product after another. I can't wait to try the formula of this one. It says all out volume, eye-opening lift, and curl and ultimate long wear. And then last but not least, I got Kimchi, another amazing product. This box is 10 out of 10, the best box I've ever received from any brand. Just all the makeup. I can't believe like the products that were chosen for me were so good, and the ones I picked out, oh my gosh. So I've been wanting this blush for so long because they're adorable. I have to show you guys, but this is Kimchi 2 color blush, it says. I got 01 Pinky Rose. Just wait until you see this packaging. It's a little heart, you guys. This is adorable. So it has like this gorgeous metallic finish. I'm so excited for my first Kimchi product, and look, oh my gosh. The cutest ever. So we have this beautiful pink and a little bit more peach, a little 2-in-1. Oh, I can't believe this box, you guys. And the formula is beautiful. I love pink baby doll cheeks, so this is perfect. Wow, the pigment though. This and the Glow Recipe mask is definitely my favorite things in here, but everything was good. I'm just only iffy about the palette, but I can't believe this box. I'm still in shock, you guys. I'm hoping the rest of the boxes that they do continue to be good, but it kind of seems like it's like hit one month, miss the next month, and then hit again. But this is amazing. I can't wait to see what else they do. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. And don't forget to check out DOUCCE too if you're looking for some amazing fragrances on a budget. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.